Welcome to this video. I'm Gatien Llabres. I'm the co-founder of Novalya, and I'm very happy to be here with Erwan, who is one of our users. So, Erwan, what does he do? He's an insurance and mortgage broker. We're lucky that he's giving us a bit of his time. You're going to find out what he does, what kind of insurance, and what kind of credit he has, and the results he has with Novalya. So, can I first ask Erwan, please, to tell us who you are? Yes.
So, how's it going? As you said, my name is Erwan. I'm a mortgage broker. I've been doing this for over 15 years now, and I recently launched the insurance side since September 2023. Same here, still as a broker. So, I'm starting out in insurance brokerage.
So tell me a bit, Erwan, what sets you apart from another insurer? Why would people come to you?
It is to find an insurance solution that meets their needs at the best rate.
Great. So I'll put Erwan's contact details, but in the video description. You're looking for good insurance.
What kind of insurance do you do? So I specialize in home loan insurance. That's my specialty. But I also do the rest: car insurance, home, life, health, great.
And you also do consumer mortgages. You do all kinds of loans.
So no, I'm only going to do mortgage loans and mortgage loans. I'm also going to specialize because I'm going to focus solely on that part. Brittany.
Great. So insurance everywhere and mortgage loans. Only in Brittany.
Only in Brittany, exactly.
Okay. So if you live in France and you want the best insurer, you have the link in the description. If you live in Brittany and you want the best loans, you have the link in the description. Is that it?
Exactly. That's perfect.
Great. Thank you, me. Tell me a bit. Insurance. It's been 10 years, you told me, right?
Financing has been over 10 years. As for insurance, I started in September 2023. Okay. Right before the insurance.
Exactly. Okay. Tell me a little bit today. How did Novalya come into your life? So, how did Novalya come into my life? It's simple.
Actually, I was already manually prospecting on Facebook. And I came across someone who at first invited me to join an online networking session, which I accepted because I needed to get myself known. It was important. Since I was starting my activity as an insurance broker, and at the end of this networking, we were given the presentation of the Novalya tool. That's how I got to know Novalya.
Okay. What was your first impression when you used it?
Novalya. My first impression is its ease of use. I absolutely needed to get myself known. So it was a crucial need for me. And the fact that Novalya works on its own and helps me get known to a significant number of people was important for me.
What was your first?
How long did it take for you to get a response? For me, it was within the hour. Within the hour, I got my first feedback, and that became my first client.
All right. Within hour for our first clients.
First client, absolutely. And a very good client.
Great. Can you tell us a little bit, what is your number of feedbacks? How many feedbacks do you get per week? How many clients do you get per month? Who exactly are you looking for with our resources?
Now, like me, it's the particular. So in terms of my prospecting, I will look for my specialty. I focus a lot on mortgage insurance, and I always target the groups near my home and approach them directly. And in terms of responses, I usually get about 4 or 5 feedbacks. And regarding signed contracts, I get about 1 per day.
You sign a contract a day thanks to Novalya? Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. 1 contract as a mortgage broker per day, no in insurance, roughly. The first client I got brought me 8 files.
Yes, because after that, you get referrals.
It was just for him.
All right. Yes, 8 files.
He provided me with 8 files.
Yes. Well done.
And that was good. And it's certain that afterwards there are referrals.
Of course. Then you don't change your way of working. We give you Novalya, we give you a client. If through this client you manage to get 2 or 3, still it's Novalya that brought in the first client that allows you to get referrals afterwards. Of course, he loves it. Great. What's your favorite tool? At Novalya, we have prospecting. We have birthdays, we have artificial intelligence, we have the CRM. Which one do you prefer out of all that? The prospecting. Do you use birthday every day too?
You do it? You like it? No, I don't use it. I don't use birthday for me. On the other hand, I only use prospecting. I don't use artificial intelligence either. Maybe it's a mistake, but for me, it's prospecting, then.
I know why you don't use it. Because if you use birthday plus liar at the same time, signing 1 a day already, how would you do it? You wouldn't have any time. Actually, so How much does that make in revenue, all of that? Do you have an idea? A little bit? It depends on the cases.
But on average, it's between 100 to 300 euros per case.
So one case it paid you with our means?
Yes, so I took it for the year. So, but basically just with the first case, I had already, from the very first day, I had already reimbursed Novalya.
Great. Erwan, I would like to ask you one last question. Two last questions. Imagine you meet someone who does what you do, who is an insurance broker and wants to do more business and who thinks, well, it works for Erwan, okay, but will it work for me too? What can you tell them?
Novalya, it's a tool. It's a great tool. But it's not a tool that's going to sell for you because you also have to sell yourself. Then if it's an insurance broker, I have no worries because we're going to meet a need for sure. There is demand and everyone today needs insurance. So whether it's for a car, a house, or borrower insurance, it's essential. Everyone definitely needs insurance, so that's definitely going to be a focus.
I have no worries, okay? So, no worries. I have one last question. Imagine that tonight you go to the Novalya servers and I cut off Novalya for tomorrow. And tomorrow morning you go to open Novalya and get it running. And you see that Gatien has shut down your Novalya. How do you react?
So that's going to be a loss of revenue.
So you won't be happy? You'll call me?
Yes, for sure. I'm going to get in touch with customer support to find out what's going on.
It says Gatien has shut down your account.
Yes, but I need an explanation.
Why did Gatien shut down my account? So don't get mad. It was just a joke. I'm not going to do it. I see you're a bit hooked on Novalya, and that's normal. It's the gateway to business.
I think that today, for all companies, we need to get ourselves known. That's the most important thing. I could sell the best products. If no one knows I exist, it won't work. Just for that, on that note, I strongly advise.
So I'm reminding you, you're looking for the best insurer, the best broker. In the video description, there's the link. You're an insurance or credit broker. You're watching this video. You're asking yourself questions. You're wondering, am I going to be successful too? You have exactly the answer if we said it. Now, what I invite you to do is to go back to the person who shared this video with you and say, look, I want to give it a try. I want to try Novalya to get one client every day like Erwan. I wish you all the success. Erwan, I wish you all the success as well. Good luck. And no, don't worry. I'm not going to shut down your account. Go back to the person who invited you and I wish you a great start with Novalya. Hi, thank you.